are you? Good?
Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, we are here with my beautiful patient today from Las Vegas, United States. We did surgery 6 days ago. She wanted to have a really nice and natural result. This is before. As you see, we wanted to create some definition for the tip and especially for the bridge part. So overall, we didn't make so much change. We keep it natural. Of course, this is very early. We have a lot of swelling, but I create a nice and beautiful bridge and more strong tip. And it doesn't show nostrils too much, still long, and slight nostril reduction. As you see, the starting point is low here before the surgery, and we bring it a little bit high with rib cartilage graft. Again, it's some swelling now, but when it heals, you will see better this, but you see it's now higher and the tip is very strong. So when she smiles, it doesn't go down and it doesn't flare so much like before. But again, we try to keep it natural and naturally fit her face. This is from the base view. This is before. We just make it a little bit lifting as you see and a little bit smaller when you compare the before. So it's more strong and probably breathing should be so much better because it's so strong. And when I touch here, it's also you feel that strange for the nose, and overall it's looking very natural. Sometimes my patient wants like a more Caucasian type of noses, but most of the we prefer to enhance, respect the authenticity of patients and restore and give some refining to nose, which we do today. Probably maybe 2 weeks later, no one will understand that she had surgery, but when we look the before and after, as you see, we see a lot of change. Yes. How was the process?
Very nice, very easy.
Okay, great.
I was informed every single step of the way, which was awesome. You really eased a lot of fears.
Great, thank you
so much. And I feel like I look like I should look.
Yeah.
Not like someone else.
Great.
You're really taking care of the integrity of who I am as a person.
It's lovely to hear this. How about pain? Pain-wise, how do you feel?
I really didn't feel a lot of pain. The most was just my rib cage when I tried to sit up, but my nose was fine.
Okay, perfect. Yeah. Perfect. Okay, thank you so much. It's very helpful for our patients to know what's happening after surgery. And of course, we will do follow-up together.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Thank you.